Hey guys, Jessi here with the Fixin Ride series. Today we are working on the CB200 barn find. We're going to throw the carburetors back on, mufflers, chain, all that malarkey, and we're going to fire this bad boy up. In the process of installing the rear turn signals, and we are using third-party turn signals, we ran into an issue where the bracket that held the original ones were actually smaller on the back, so we just drilled out the hole to make it to where the stem on the third-party ones could go all the way through. So now we're slapping them back on, tightening them down, getting ready to do a little blinky blink. The usual, you know? Minding my own business.
I'm not. Why are you sanding that?
Well, I want... What is that stupid shit you said? She's just a little tight. I didn't like it. And I want the ultimate throttle response! So I can show off this bad boy CB200 at the local Honda meetups. perfectly fine. Thanks for asking. What's that sound? The boot that was on here was cracked pretty bad, but as with everything else, I had an extra coil, so we pulled a boot from it and we are putting a fresh one on. New boot goofing. And ignition switches.
Fires every time.
So we've gotten everything back on the bike. We're getting ready to crank her up. So first we're gonna prime it a little bit just by kicking it over without the spark plugs in. And then we're gonna throw the spark plugs back in and see if she'll turn. Do you feel happy?
Go for it, yeah.
Thanks. Hey! Hello.
Oh, you're hitting the muffler for sure.
I
That's
am?
what that sound is.
Why didn't you say that earlier?
I didn't realize what the sound was.
There it is. I am. For sure. What are we gonna do about that?
Help it, Jessi. Still not to 30?
Just got to 31. What was it going to? I'm standing up here. Fuck everybody.
Poor position for an easy kick over.
We're gonna need to trade side pegs.
Great.
I'm hitting my foot on it.
Come on, give it.
Use that coat? You don't need it now. Sounds good.
Awesome.
How excited are you?
Gas like crazy.
Oh.
Good job, man.
I want to hug everybody, but it's Corona, so just know that I want to hug you.
Don't fucking touch me.
It's a whole global pandemic out here, but 2022, I'm hugging everybody.
Take an elbow.
So I haven't been this happy since maybe Christmas of 1997. Really excited that we got it started up today. I've never rebuilt an engine, so first time breaking into that, didn't know if I was gonna be able to turn it over, but it did, and she's purring like an almost completely healthy kitten. Moving forward, we're gonna pull off the wheels, get our brakes cleaned up, replace some new tires on it, and take her on her first ride. This is Jessi with the Fixin' to Ride series with the CB200 barn find. Don't forget to like and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, subscribe to our newsletter at common-motor.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel down below.